Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I have my long-awaited kit collection. You guys have seen my hauls. You know I have an absurd and embarrassing amount of kits, so please don't judge me. But I'm going to go over the storage, and then I think I'm just going to flip through all the kits and put music over it because I know myself and I know that if I talk through this video I'm going to dread editing it so much that I just never will and it'll never get uploaded. So hope this is cool with y'all. So I store my kits in two areas. So first I've got a large album from Simply Gilded. I believe this is in the color watermelon. I'm not 100% though. And then I also use my tried and true acrylic organizer. I will link it down below if it's still available. The album, I have all of my foiled kits. So I've got celestial kits in the front and then just like miscellaneous in the back. And then this has 4 sections. So in the first section I have Sticky Essentials, and then the next I have Caress Press, and then the next I have SPC, and then the fourth one is just Best of the Rest. Alright, so I'm gonna hop in with the flip through. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I see you in the next one.
Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away and break new ground. Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away into the south. Pulsing tides, pushing you back again. Sleepless nights and empty streets. A distant stare, a lifeless satellite. Nothing's changed, will we still be here? Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away and break new ground. Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away into the south. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Breaking out. Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away and break new ground. Let's run away and leave this city. Let's run away into the south. Let's run away and break new ground. Let's run away into the south. Let's run